Hello my dear SQL friend, and today I just want to show you some really crazy revolution, guys, in the Aviator Predictor world. So as you can see, I developed my own site, SQL Injector, guys. This is new version, SQL Injector 4.0, guys. You can go by this simple link, aviatorpredictor.com. You can see this link. Also, you can find it in the description under this video. So guys, you just go to this link, you create your own account, guys. You just press here, you create your own SQL account. It's very simple verification, guys, and you just download it. Okay, you can just download it for every platform. You can see Windows, Android, Apple iOS, and macOS. So for now, today I'm choosing the Apple iOS because I'm using the iPhone 15, guys. So I'm just launching it. This is mini app in the Telegram bot. It's very simple for use. You just press start bot. It's a little bit loading, and here you just log in into your account. You can see I'm choosing my admin login. For now, I'm just logging in to show you some predictions. Okay, so I'm just logging to account, and here I will just choose now the Lucky Jet site. You can see Lucky Jet I chose. Okay, so you can see it's very simple process, guys. I'm just pressing get next number. Okay, you can see 145. This is our next number, 145. Very simple. I press it again, and let's see our current number, 1.52. Okay, guys, so let's see 1.52. This is real or not. Okay, boom, guys, 1.52. This is really predictable application. So basically you just press the numbers, you check the coefficient. For now you can see this is a very good coefficient, 7x. This is really crazy coefficient. So just to avoid suspicion, you can know the number. You can put like 10 bucks on 5x. You can withdraw 50 bucks, guys. So this is very good money. You can see 7x. You can know this crash is good number, and you will not lose any money, guys. You will only gain money, and you gain wealth, guys. You just very good business. Okay, so this is really game changing in the predictors world. You can see 7x. This is exactly predictable. So I'm not waiting anymore. I'm just pressing another crash button. Okay, so our next number, 2.47. Let's see if this is true or not, guys. Let's see if this is true or not. 2.47. This is also decent crash. Okay, so you put the same 10 bucks on 2x, you doubling your money, guys. Every time doubling your money. Okay, 2.47. You can see this exactly 2.47. So guys, this is very simple for usage. We do all the hard job for you. Just press one simple button, get next number. You press this button, it's loading a little bit, and boom, you have this number, guys, 4.31. Okay, this is crazy revolution, guys, in the aviator world. And by the way, I want to tell you that this is working in the whole world, guys. If you're from India, if you're from Pakistan, if you're from Bangladesh, if you're from Egypt, guys, if you're from Africa, okay, I love African people. If you're from Africa, you can just open the mini app, because Telegram is working worldwide. You can just open the mini app. Okay, you open the mini app, guys, and you can straight away start using this application, because you can register in the whole world. You don't need any VPN, guys. There's many scammers on the internet who tells you to pay first and then they give you the application, guys, but this is not me. Okay, this is not me. I'm straight away giving you application. Just bro, take your application, create your account, and start hacking. Okay, guys, this is very simple. It works in all countries. You don't need any VPN. You have many scammers that you can see. Okay, 10.1051. This is exactly, guys, exactly numbers. So guys, many scammers asking for VPN, asking you to pay for application, then asking you to pay for VPN. This is not the case here, guys. So this is the new SQL Injector 4.0, guys. This is new mind-blowing application, guys. This works on all platforms. You can even take your fucking tablet, guys. You have your old Android tablet or old Android phone, it's working, guys. It's working everywhere. It will work on a potato, guys. This application is multi-version, guys. This is multifunctional. So 8.51, you can see, boom, guys.